I wanted to show you guys today a little physique update. I haven't done this and it has been 2 months, but a month and a half I've actually been on this schedule and I've been actually doing pretty well with it. So now I think it would be a good time to show you guys the progress that I have made. Go ahead and show you guys where I'm at. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little update. I did show a little piece of that video where I was holding on to my fat, just throw it closer to the bottom of my abs and my lower back, which is normal. I feel like a lot of people store their fat there. Nothing to be like super concerned about. It's just gonna happen. So pretty happy with that. I'm feeling amazing in the gym. Me assessing this situation, I think I'm right on course and I'm pretty happy with my body right now and my overall strength. To keep that going, I'm gonna go ahead and have my breakfast now. It's actually pretty bad. Look at this. I hope I don't break it. You see the window back there?
Yeah,
That's
I got stuck.
That's why this has happened. Let's see.
Who
is that?
Me. Never hold it. Hi. Who's that?
Who is that?
Grandma. Hi. Hi.
Ready, dude?
That's so cool. I got enough. What on the sky? I got that on camera. I got one on. I can't see it. Yeah, I'm gonna hold that. I'm gonna hold it.
Alright guys, so that would be the end of the video for today. I did not include a workout, but I hope you guys enjoyed just me kind of doing my own thing and kind of just recording that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little drone clip there, stepping up the game with some more shots. So still practicing on the drone, trying to get used to it, and yeah, so more clips coming up. Stay tuned for what I got next.